In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poster in Canva. Head to Canva, search poster. Make sure that you already have an account. If not, go ahead and sign up. After choosing a poster right here, I'm going to choose on landscape. After this, I'm going to find a couple of posters. Keep in mind that anything that has the paid sign or the pro sign requires a subscription. For example, I like this poster. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to be able to drag and put anything I want in different places. Change the colors by clicking on the top left corner. Choose the color I would like to change and change it to something else. Text, double click, change it to something I would like. Size by dragging the corner. Deleting by delete. Resetting by Control Z in your keyboard. And finally to download, top right corner, download, and download. That's it. Goodbye.